How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. In here, click on Privacy, which is the second option. Now, in Privacy, you will find Private Account. Simply click on it. And at the bottom, as you can see, switch to Public Account. If you turn this on, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Anyone can do it. Anyone can stitch. Click on Switch. And then you're good to go. This is how to unprivate your TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.